So, as discussed earlier, the name of the story is Pepper Wants Too Many Toys. Who is this? This is Pepper. And who is she? She is Pepper's mother, his mom. So let's see what the story tells us. Okay. Now, Pepper goes for shopping with his mother. This is his mother. And she's carrying a shopping trolley. So, Pepper goes to the corner where he sees lots of toys. And his mother says, Pepper, let's go home. Gharjum, let's go home. And Pepper says, Chuggy. He takes up one toy train. Chuggy. And the mother says, no, Pepper, you have a Chuggy at home. Because he already has one Chuggy at home. And he wants the same thing. And the mother says no. Why she says no? Because Pepper already has Chuggy at home. Pepper ko ghar ma already there's a Chuggy. Pepper ke paas Chuggy already hai ghar pe. Fir bhi wo zid kar raha hai. He's saying, I want that Chuggy. And mother says, no. You already have it at home. Then he goes to another corner. And he says, okay, forget about Chuggy. Buy this Teddy for me. He says, Teddy. So what is Pepper doing? Pepper wants each and everything. Even if he has Teddy at home, he still wants to buy it. It's about to become a habit for him. Because if we do the same thing again and again and again, then it becomes our habit. Okay. So, Pepper is saying, I want the Teddy. And his mother says, Pepper, you have 4 teddies at home. Come along now. So, it happens with us also. You already have same toy at home and you want yet again the same toy. You already have a bus at home. You want to buy another bus. You already have a bicycle at home. You want to buy another bicycle. You already have Elsa and Anna at home. You again want to buy Elsa and Anna. You already have Barbie dolls at home. You again want to buy that. You already have a cricket bat or a ball at home. You again want to buy the same thing. So it happens with us also. Hamrama already huncha, but we still want to buy the same thing because we just want to buy it. Okay? We have gone out. We need one toy, so we just have to buy it. So his mother says, Pepper, you have 4 teddies at home. Come along now. And Pepper starts crying in the market. And his mother says, stop crying, Pepper. We can't buy toys every day. Okay, Aina? So every day, if you ask your mama or your papa to buy toys for you, then all your money will get finished in buying toys. They will use all their savings, all the money in buying toys because toys are very expensive. So if you cry for toys every day, then how can we afford to buy toys? Because your mom and your dad, every day they go to work to give you a very nice living. But if they utilize all the money in buying toys, then who will take care of the other expenses of home? Mummy papa le jaile pani timile everyday toys mate kinesa bhane mummy papa le aru chiz se kasari garcha? Because for everything you need money. In order to send you to school, they have to pay you the fees. In order to give you good food, they have to buy vegetables, meat, chicken, whatever from the market. In order to treat you out for lunch or for dinner, they need money. So for everything, we as a parent, हामीलाई पैसा चाहिन्छ. तिमीलाई टय किनिदिनुको लागि, तिमीलाई मिठो मिठो चिज खाइदिनुको लागि, to buy clothes for you also we need money, to send you to school also we need money, to buy shoes for you also we need money. The electricity बेलुका भएपछि लाइट बाल्छ, लाइट बाल्नुको लागि also we need money. TV हेर्नुको लागि also we need money. Phone हेर्नुको लागि also we need money. So for everything we need money. And if the parents, if your mom and dad or your grandparents, if they will buy toy for you every day, then they will not be able to send you to school. They will not be able to give you good food. They will not be able to give you good clothes. Yeah. So we should always understand that we should not buy toys every day. Okay. So आज के बाद when you go out, you will not tell your parents to buy toys for you every day. Whenever it is your special day, without even you asking, तिमीहरूले आफै नमागिकिन पनि तिम्रो mom and तिम्रो dad, your grandparents will buy toys for you. Okay? And Pepper says, I want a new toy. And the mother says, wait, I have got an idea. Let me figure out. Then one day, his mother says, how about a toy party, Pepper? Pepper says, I like that. So his mother is very intelligent. Momli bhanche ki, let's do a toy party. What do you understand by toy party? Party ma ke huncha? What happens in a party? Birthday party or your Diwali party, Christmas party. What happens in a party? All your friends and your family members, they come, isn't it? So similarly, who plays with the toys? Toys से तो को खेलता? कौन खेलता है toys के साथ? मम्मी पापा खेलते हैं ना? कौन खेलते हैं? बच्चे खेलते हैं. तो उसको मम्मी बच्चों के लिए एक toy party रखते हैं. So she keeps a toy party for the kids. पेपरको मामाले भन्छ कि हामी एउटा टय पार्टी राखौं. पार्टी भनेको के हुन्छ? पार्टीमा सबैजना आउँछ, फ्रेन्ड्सहरू आउँछ, फ्यामिलीहरू आउँछ हैन. बट टय पार्टीमा टय कोले खेल्छ? टय त ओन्ली किड्स, बेबीजहरूले मात्रै खेल्छ, तिमीहरू जस्तो बेबीजहरूले हैन. त्यसको मामाले टय पार्टी राख्छन्. व्हाट ह्यापन्स इन द टय पार्टी? All his friends, they come with the toys. So what happens is, everyone, look at this picture. There are so many friends of Pepper who has come. So, when they come, they will have to bring the toys from their house. Pepperले पनि आफ्नो toys निकाल्छ. Pepperले आफ्नो toysहरू निकालेको रहेछ. And when his friends come for the toy party, everyone, they bring their favorite toy. So this way, what will happen? They all will be able to play with the toys, with all the toys. So Pepper, look, he says, wow, a tall giraffe. So Pepper has never played with this giraffe. Pepper kama yo toy nahi hundaina. And then they say, Pepper, look what I have got. See what I have. So he has a tall giraffe, he has an aeroplane, he has a ball, and he has a xylophone. And what Pepper has? Pepper has the stamps. Pepper has a car, a teddy, and a small pulley toy. So, even his friends have not played with these toys. No, Pepper has played with these toys. Pepperले पनि यो टॉयजहरु खेलेको छैन. Pepperको फ्रेन्ड्सले पनि ये टॉयज खेलेको छैन. Pepper ने भी ये टॉयज पहले कभी नहीं खेला है. Even his friends ने भी Pepper के पास जो टॉय है वो नहीं खेला हुआ है. So it solves the purpose. So they all get to play with new toys. Zrr, zoom. So they all are so happy. They all are playing with the toys of each other. वो एक दूसरे के साथ अपना toys share करके play kar raha hai. So these ways, what will happen? Firstly, we learn one important lesson, that it is good to share, because sharing is loving. If they share the toys with each other, then firstly, they will have fun. Secondly, everyone will get a chance to play with new things. And thirdly, even the parents, they will not be spending money in buying new toys every day. So this is a very good idea. Right now, it's because of coronavirus, we are unable to play with our friends. हामी यसरी get together गर्न सकेको छैन, but it's a promise. Once everything comes into normal, we will also start our day in school by having a toy party. Okay, everyone will bring their toys. Even I will get some toys for you. We all will sit together and have a beautiful day. Okay. And everyone says, that was fun. Bye. Can we do it again? Sure, Pepper. Whenever you want. So Pepper says, it was fun. We all had a beautiful day. So Pepper says, can we do it again? And his friend says, sure, Pepper. Whenever you want. So they all enjoyed their day thoroughly. And then at the end, what Pepper does? Pepper mother says, Pepper, let's tidy up. So everyone leaves the house, and Pepper and his mother, they keep the toys. Because it is very important to tidy and to keep our toys in the right place. You should not make your house messy. एउटा टोय खेलेर त्यो टोयलाई फेरि फ्याक्यो, फेरि अर्को रुममा अर्को टोयलाई लिएर गयो, अर्को रुममा टोय फेरि फ्याक्यो. दैट इज नॉट गुड. एक टॉय हम लोग एक जगह में खेलते हैं, फिर दूसरा रूम में दूसरा टॉय खेल के टॉय को वहीं छोड़ देते हैं. दैट इज नॉट गुड. We should always keep our things back in order. In school, what do? When you come to school, what do? तिमीले पेन्सिलहरु शार्प गरेर कागजहरु भुइँमा फ्याक्छ कि म्यामले के भन्छ? Throw it in the dustbin. So when you do that at school, you can do it at home also. तिमीहरूले स्कुलमा टॉयजहरु खेल्छ, स्लाइडहरु खेलेर बाहिर लडाइकिन राख्छ? No. You play very nicely. You keep all the things properly. स्कुलमा खेलिसकेर puzzles खेलिसकेर म्यामले सबै मिलाउन लाउँछ तिमीहरूलाई. And then you keep all those puzzles, your toys properly. So if you can do it in school, you can very well do it at home also. Okay. So you will play with the toys and you will keep it back. So they clean their room, and Pepper sleeps happily at night. He feels very happy at night. So that is how his mother teaches him a lesson, saying that it is not worth buying toys every day. So we can have a toy party once, and in whatever toy we want to play, we can share our toys and play. So I am sure that you will not ask your parents to buy the toys for you every day. You will not do that. Okay. And once the school reopens, we will definitely have a toy party. Okay. So watch this story. Understand what ma'am is trying to say. Listen the story. Make your parents listen to this story. Because if there's any confusion, they can help you.